It's dangerous out there, and getting more so. Perilous walking in and around parks, corporate campuses, casinos, resorts, transit stops, and municipalities that are not well lighted. But lighting these areas is no easy task. It's a long, expensive process, especially in places where there's no electric power. The good news, though, there's an effective way to light up the dark without electricity. Welcome Olympia Lighting's latest cutting-edge technology, the integrated all-in-one 60-watt solar LED streetlight with its powerful high-efficiency solar panel and 10-year warranty, built-in Dusk-to-Dawn motion sensor, long-life LiFePO4 lithium battery guaranteed for up to 5 years, with light intensity in the coverage area because we've designed the streetlight to throw light sideways. Imagine 50,000 lifetime hours, all without the ever-rising cost of energy consumption. The solar LED streetlight can be installed in as little as 20 minutes to a wall, a tree, or a pole because of its lightweight and all-in-one solar panel and LED, a feature that differentiates it from competitors. At Olympia, we work exclusively with LED lighting, which is 3 to 4 times more efficient than compact fluorescent light. And when combined with solar, LED's high lumen per watt enables you to use the least amount of power to get the maximum amount of light. Price performance at its best, delivered safely, simply, and successfully.